You wake up, grab your phone, scroll for a few minutes, maybe skip breakfast, rush out the door, and call it starting your day. What if I told you that this exact routine is quietly destroying your testosterone levels every single morning? Most guys have no idea how much damage they do in the first hour of their day. And it's not because you're lazy or unhealthy. It's because you've built habits that trick your body into thinking it doesn't need to produce testosterone. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to flip that switch back on and start your mornings like a man built to win. Before we dive in, if you're into natural muscle building, calisthenics, and unlocking your body's full potential, hit that subscribe button because this channel is about turning average routines into high-performance rituals. Here's the first big killer, checking your phone right after you wake up. It sounds innocent, but when you start your day flooding your brain with dopamine from notifications, messages, and news, you hijack your reward system. Your brain gets its pleasure hit before you've even earned it. Testosterone thrives on challenge, on delayed gratification, on effort that pays off. So when your first win of the day is a swipe, not a rep, your hormones take a hit. Start your morning before your phone. Stretch, breathe, walk, or do a few push-ups instead. Let your body, not your feed, set the tone. Next, skipping sunlight. Your body's testosterone production depends on your circadian rhythm, your internal clock. If you roll out of bed and stay in dim light, your brain doesn't release the hormones that trigger alertness and testosterone. 10 minutes of sunlight in the morning boosts your natural T levels, improves focus, and tells your body it's time to perform. No supplements, no tricks, just light. And here's the sneaky one. Fasted caffeine on an empty stomach. When you drink it right after waking up, especially without food, it spikes your cortisol, your stress hormone. Cortisol and testosterone are like rivals. When one goes up, the other goes down. So that wake-up coffee might actually be draining your drive. Try waiting an hour after waking or drink water first, then have your caffeine after breakfast or a light snack. Now the final morning habit most men never think about, mental chaos. If you start your day rushed, distracted, or already reacting to problems, you're training your body to live in survival mode. And survival mode kills testosterone. Take 2 minutes, literally, to breathe deeply, plan your day, or do a quick gratitude check. It sounds soft, but it's actually hard discipline. That calm, focused energy, that's high testosterone energy. Let's recap quickly. If you want to boost your testosterone every morning, delay your phone, get sunlight, ease into caffeine, control your mental state. These small shifts compound fast. Within weeks, you'll feel more focused, confident, and physically stronger because your hormones finally have the signal to rise. You don't need a pill, you need a better morning. And the best part, you can start tomorrow. If you found this helpful, check out my next video. 5 exercises that naturally boost testosterone. No gym needed. Stay disciplined, stay powerful, and I'll see you there.